Zelda MIG 200DP is a portable double-pulse synergic MIG inverter welding machine, one-phase 230 voltage input and generate-friendly. It's a aluminium MIG welder with synergic system and LCD display. It's especially suitable for welding aluminums as well as magnesium, silicon and copper. Aluminums include specific configurations for MMA-coated electrodes, simple pulse, double pulse, fab and manual mode. Best no splatter spray mode in all positions thanks to pulse, suitable for welding different size of wires with high duty cycle. Now this model is selling to countries from Europe, North America, South America and Asia. The customers are happy with the quality and keep buying. If you need a portable MIG device with optimal performance for aluminum welding, please choose Zelda MIG 200DP.